In this series of videos, I'm gonna show how to make a profile, a registration with pictures, profile pictures in Thunkable. I made an application here that has an example how to make this thing work. Here I'm gonna show you making a new profile and how it appears in the application. Here, when you click on select profile picture, you're gonna be redirected to the gallery, and you can choose any picture you want. When you choose it, it comes here to the application. Here you're gonna fill some fields. So I can make this profile. When you click send, you create a new profile. So you come here to enter the application. When you click here on menu, you can see your name and the profile picture. For the first thing you need to do to create this kind of profile, it's to create and register Firebase account and Cloudinary account. We're gonna use the Firebase and Cloudinary. So first of all, you're gonna create a new account here on Firebase. When you first log in, you need to create a new project. So you come here in add project, and we're gonna call this profile. You choose create project. You come here on database, rules, and you take this thing here and change for true. Also this one here, and click on publish. After that, we're gonna take this link here and copy it, and also go in settings, project settings, and get this key here. Now on Cloudinary, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna register. This is your cloud name, so you can change for anything you want. or the name of the application you're making. We're gonna use the cloud name. We're gonna use the API key. And the secret, click on review. Now we're gonna go and start the new project on Thunkable. I'm gonna come here, create new app. I'm gonna call it profile, image profile. So on the first screen, what we're going to do is to create the login and the button to register. So we're gonna come here and use the interface to put the objects needed. We're gonna get a text box for, sorry, this one is incorrect. We need a vertical arrangement. Automatic, few parents, and none. So we're gonna take a text box. This one is gonna be the username. Username. Next one is a password text box. I'm gonna put a label here. For the password, a button to enter. Next thing is to make a button. Put another label. So this one here is the layout for the first screen. What we're gonna do now is the second screen that is going to do to make the profile. So we're gonna make here, call this profile maker. So here we're gonna put the Firebase and also the Cloudinary. So we're gonna take what we need here is the cloud name, the key, and the secret. Firebase, we need the link, and also the key. So let's make the layout. I'm gonna use text box for name. Two passwords text box. Password 1. Password 2. We're gonna need image picker, an image, and a label. This one is the profile picture that's gonna appear after we send the image to the Cloudinary database. And this one is gonna be invisible. No name. We're gonna call it URL name, URL image. So going to the blocks, first we're going to do is take the select picture after picking Cloudinary, post image, select picture, selection. I'm gonna use the block got response. I'm gonna take an if statement. We're gonna compare texts. I'm gonna take the response variable, and it has to be equal to successful. If it's equal to successful, we're gonna take the image, profile picture image, set picture to image URL, this label here, the same thing, the text, and also so we're gonna start a new variable called image URL, and we're gonna set this as this one here. So what is making, it's when you select the picture in your gallery, it's gonna send to the Cloudinary database that we created when it got the response, and gonna change the picture to the URL that this image is in the database. It's gonna set the label that we're going to use to save on Firebase. So when you log in, it's gonna take this URL and change the picture, the image, into the picture that you saved before. Okay, now we're going to do is to save. We need a button. Button resist. So we're going to take the resist button. When it's clicked, I'm gonna take the if statement. The empt if username text is empty, if the password 1 text is empty, and the password 2 change this to R. Gonna need a notifier. So if one of the things is empty, we're gonna send the user to fill the fields. Okay, the next thing here, we're going to use the Firebase store value. The tag is going to be the username. The values to store are going to be used as lists. So you're going to make a list. Make 4 items. Here is the username. Here it's the password. Actually, you just need 3. And here it's the image. So we're going to save that label that we used before, text. We're going to save on the Firebase the username, the password, and also the image URL that we're gonna take when we log in. So I'm gonna call this image. After we do this, we're going to close screen and the notifier. Register complete. So this is for the profile maker screen. The user is gonna put the username, the password twice, select a picture, it's gonna appear here, and it's gonna register. The next screen we're going to make is the screen 1, that it is using the user to log in. I'm gonna do this on a second video because it's too long, this one here.